everyone, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today we're going to be talking about early extension in your golf swing, what ball flights it creates, some drills we're going to do to fix it, and hopefully that'll get you on the right path to some better golf. So what is early extension? Early extension is when you're at the top of your backswing and your hips move towards the ball as you swing down. Notice that my head is going to rise up. What's going to happen is the hitting zone is going to be elevated and the club will be too high through impact, causing thins or tops golf shots. Also, with this early extension, the hands and club will rise and fall backwards behind you, causing lots of hook shots or big high pushes to the right side. So drill number one, grab yourself a long stick and we can start with this drill, which is once you get to the top of your backswing, if you early extend, your hips will come forward, and notice how the stick itself is pointing out to the right, and that's going to create that right shot or that hook. So what we're looking for is the bottom end of the stick here to go down the target line as we turn, and then from there extend through so the other end of the stick keeps carrying on down the target line. So again, early extension versus correct. So drill number two, you'll need a tour stick, your club and a ball. So placing the tour stick on the ground at a slight angle, put your feet either side of the tour stick. Once you get to the top of your backswing, imagine your belt buckle is over the right hand side of this tour stick now. What we're trying to create is the belt buckle to work down the tour stick on the way through into impact. What we don't want to see is your belt buckle coming towards, and that leads on to your early extension again. So one more is down the tour stick with your belt buckle and then through to the golf swing. So the third and final drill, and probably my personal favorite, which has worked a lot with the golfers I teach, is the chair. So to fix your early extension, put the chair behind you, top of the backswing again, and try and push against the chair as you swing down. Early extension will look like that. So you'll come forward, the chair will drop. So again, we're looking to push against the chair on the downswing. So we get into impact, our weight is a little bit back into this left heel, and then we can then finish on through to the target. So again, thank you for watching. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what early extension is in the golf swing. Those drills you can do on the driving range or at home will help you fix your early extension so that you'll be able to get into a much better impact position, turn correctly through from your top of your backswing down into the ball, and have a much more consistent impact and strike pattern to help improve your golf. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.